MidJourney has come a long way since its inception, captivating the imagination of millions with its AI-powered image generation capabilities. With over 16 million users and a daily influx of 23,000 new enthusiasts, MidJourney has solidified its position as a leader in the AI art generation space. The journey from version 6 to the highly anticipated version 7 has been marked by significant improvements and user-centric enhancements. Version 6.1, released in July 2023, brought notable advancements in image coherence and quality, particularly in rendering complex features like hands, bodies, plants, and animals. It also introduced more precise small details, improved texture quality with new 2x upscalers, and approximately 25% faster image processing. As we stand on the cusp of MidJourney 7.0's release, the AI art community is buzzing with excitement. While the exact release date remains undisclosed, David Holtz, MidJourney's founder, has hinted that it's expected within the next 1 to 2 months. This delay from the initially planned summer release has only heightened anticipation as the development team focuses on enhancing accessibility and increasing the value of their tools for daily professional use. Let's dive into 5 things we could expect from the upcoming release. MidJourney 7.0 is set to redefine the boundaries of AI-generated art with its unprecedented level of photorealism. Building on the success of previous versions, V7 will deliver stunningly lifelike images that blur the line between artificial and real. This leap in quality is coupled with a significantly enhanced ability to interpret nuanced prompts, rivaling the capabilities of DALL-E 3. Users can expect the AI to grasp complex concepts and subtle variations in their instructions, translating intricate ideas into visual masterpieces with remarkable accuracy. Whether you're aiming for hyper-detailed landscapes or abstract conceptual pieces, V7's advanced algorithms will bring your vision to life with astonishing precision. Productivity takes center stage in V7 with the introduction of simultaneous multi-image generation. Users will have the power to create up to 8 images at once, doubling the current limit of 4. This feature is a game changer for rapid ideation and concept exploration, allowing artists and designers to quickly iterate through multiple variations of their ideas. Complementing this is the new Integrated Image Editor, a comprehensive tool that brings local repainting, in-painting, and extended painting, out-painting capabilities directly into the MidJourney interface. This all-in-one solution eliminates the need for third-party software, streamlining the creative process from conception to final touches. The combination of these features empowers users to not only generate more content faster, but also refine and expand their creations with unprecedented ease and efficiency. MidJourney 7.0 is breaking new ground with its revolutionary 3D system, allowing users to step into their AI-generated worlds. This innovative feature utilizes a cutting-edge NERF-like format, moving beyond traditional polygon rendering or Gaussian scattering technologies to create immersive, explorable environments. Imagine walking through a fantastical landscape you've described or examining a product design from every angle. V7 makes this a reality. Alongside this 3D capability, MidJourney is venturing into the realm of video generation, expanding its creative possibilities beyond static images. This groundbreaking feature opens up a new dimension for storytelling, allowing users to bring their ideas to life with motion and time. From short animated sequences to dynamic visual effects, the combination of 3D and video capabilities in V7 promises to revolutionize how we create and interact with AI-generated content. MidJourney 7.0 takes personalization to the next level, building on the success of features introduced in V6.1. The new version employs advanced machine learning algorithms to understand and adapt to individual user preferences, creating a truly tailored creative experience. This personalization extends to maintaining consistency across multiple images, a feature highly requested by the community. Users will be able to generate variations of the same character, scene, or object from different angles, while preserving key design elements and styles. This consistency is crucial for projects requiring multiple related images, such as character design for games or comics, or product visualization for marketing campaigns. The enhanced personalization and consistency features work in tandem to provide a more intuitive and efficient creative process, allowing users to achieve their desired results with greater precision and less iteration. At the heart of MidJourney 7.0's improvements is a focus on enhancing overall performance and accessibility. Building on the 25% speed increase seen in v6.1, v7 pushes the boundaries further with even faster image generation times. This boost in processing speed is particularly beneficial during peak usage hours, ensuring a smooth experience for all users regardless of when they choose to create. The web interface, which has already made MidJourney accessible beyond Discord, will see further refinements to create a more intuitive and user-friendly experience. These performance enhancements are complemented by ongoing hardware developments, showcasing MidJourney's commitment to long-term innovation. The combination of faster processing, a more accessible interface, and robust infrastructure ensures that MidJourney 7.0 will not only meet the current demands of its 16 million users, but also scale effectively as its user base continues to grow rapidly. As MidJourney continues to innovate, it's clear that the future of AI art generation is bright. The company's investment in hardware development alongside software improvements suggests a long-term commitment to pushing the boundaries of what's possible in AI-generated art. With competitors like OpenAI's DALL-E and Stable Diffusion also making strides, MidJourney's approach of focusing on user experience and practical features sets it apart. This strategy has helped maintain its position as the most searched AI art generator, surpassing both DALL-E and Stable Diffusion in Google Trends. As we eagerly await the release of MidJourney 7.0, it's clear that we're on the brink of a new era in AI-assisted creativity. With its focus on realism, nuance, and user-centric features, V7 promises to empower artists, designers, and enthusiasts alike to push the boundaries of their imagination. From the ability to generate multiple images simultaneously to the groundbreaking 3D immersion system, MidJourney 7.0 is set to redefine what's possible in AI art generation. As the 16 million strong user base continues to grow, with thousands joining daily, the impact of these advancements will ripple through the creative industries and beyond. In the words of MidJourney founder David Holz, the version 7's release will be very cool. As we stand on the cusp of this exciting new chapter, one thing is certain: the world of AI-generated art is about to get a whole lot more interesting. Whether you're a professional designer, a hobbyist artist, or simply someone who enjoys exploring the intersection of technology and creativity, MidJourney 7.0 promises to be a game changer that will inspire, challenge, and delight users around the globe. We hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out our video on ChatGPT's new model 401 or codename Strawberry on your screen. Until next time.